All right, so they're coming out here, and we've got warmer air on the way. It's not going to get colder and snowier, so the bear aren't going to run back into the groundhog hole, so to speak. 53 degrees in Helena, but look at that wind gusting up to 30 miles per hour out of the north. It was a real nice start to the day, and then a little front came through. That front has blown through literally Great Falls, and after highs in the 50s, we're down to 44 with a north wind up to 32 miles per hour. So there's that front, 40s, 50s, a little warmer out ahead of that front here. A little colder, though, in eastern Montana as that big Colorado storm is kind of wrapping in some colder air from the east. And there's that wind speed, really strong from Cut Bank through Great Falls down through the Helena area. On the radar, some precipitation. We've got a little bit here along the Rocky Mountain front up there around west of Augusta, the Sun River Wildlife Management area, maybe a few flakes of snow. That's with that little front coming through. But hopping over to the eastern part of the state, some rain pushing into Glasgow, perhaps just to the north of Glasgow, a little mix of some rain and snow with some of the higher elevation there. And there you can see some of that snow down here into southeast Montana. Hardin down through Lodge Grass, Interstate 90, likely getting covered with some snow here. So if anybody were traveling that way, there still is snow down through Sheridan and Casper, almost all the way down into Denver still. Look how big that storm is. Now pushing towards the east coast and the back edge of that storm through parts of Wyoming and Montana here. Little other additional system will move to our south with more snow down into Wyoming and Colorado as we get into later Tuesday. Note that snow into eastern Montana will hold on, but the rest of the state looks really, really nice by late Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. St. Patrick's Day is beautiful. Thursday, a lot of towns will get up into the 60s for highs. Even Friday's not so bad, but there will be a front later in the day on Friday that could kick off some showers and isolated thunderstorms on Friday evening, and then a few mountain snow showers. Saturday, the first day of spring, some snow showers in the mountains and maybe a few over the lower elevations here. Sunday looks pretty nice, and then another maybe minor system coming through on Tuesday as there's another big storm moving through the plains here. So snowfall, extreme southeast Montana to the top of the Bighorns there. We could have just a little bit of some snow, but really not much accumulating here in the state, a little bit more into the mountains down towards the south. Here's the forecast for tonight. Chilly out there, turning cool after high temperatures again were well up into the 50s. Little mix of rain and snow out there around Glasgow. Really should be east of Lewistown, although there could be some flurries around Lewistown, also the Little Belt Mountains, and perhaps a few flurries into the mountains around Helena. For tomorrow, becoming mostly sunny by late morning here. However, the farther east and southeast you go in the state, the closer we will be to some of that snow falling around Baker and Miles City, and again, Lodge Grass and over through about the Hardin area. St. Patrick's Day here on Wednesday, and what a gorgeous day. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the 50s to almost 60 degrees. I think we'll hit the 60s here for, again, a lot of locations on Thursday. And then Friday, not too bad, but we'll have that front coming in late, couple inches of snow into the mountains, couple of showers and isolated thunderstorms in the lower elevations. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena, so really very nice over the next few days. Again, late on Friday, a couple of showers, outside chance of a thunderstorm. First day of spring on Saturday, some mixed rain and snow showers around the Helena area, but really not that bad of a day. A little blustery in for Great Falls, looking at temperatures warming out of the 40s into the 50s and 60s before that minor front goes through for the first day of spring.
All right, thanks, Curtis.